Welcome to this current affair topic. In this topic, we will take the places in the news. So, the Morocco, North Sentinel Island, and the Bhashan Char place are the places which are currently in the news, and what are the reasons behind of these places in the news we will see in this lecture. Moving ahead with this lecture, I will request you to please subscribe this channel. This is a new channel. Further, I will request you to please go through this lecture till the end so that you will have a complete relevant information related to this topic. So, the Morocco, this is in the news. So if you see Morocco, here it is in Morocco, it is beside in the west of the Morocco there is the Atlantic Ocean. I am just giving the geographical area of this Morocco. So in the west of it there we will have Atlantic Ocean, and in the north of it we have a Mediterranean Sea, and in this area we will have a Sahara Desert. Okay, and the Morocco have a rivalry for the Sahara Desert because it is rich in minerals and some oils are present there. And one more thing that you have to be kept in mind, that this is Morocco is the only African country which have a border with the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean as well. Okay, so the Morocco borders Algeria to the east and the southeast, and the Western Sahara to the south, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Mediterranean Sea to the north. It is the only African country with the coastal exposure to both the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. So why is in the news? What are the reasons behind it? So the Morocco has agreed to resume its diplomatic relations with the Israel. So earlier the diplomatic relations with the Israel was not good, and it has stopped all its diplomatic relations, political relations with the Israel. But now it has agreed to resume its diplomatic relations with the Israel, becoming the fourth Arab nations to recognize Israel under a deal brokered by the US in the 2020. And earlier it was like that nobody was recognizing Israel as a country as well only. Okay, so this Morocco has become the fourth Arab nation to recognize Israel under the deal brokered by the US 2020. And as a part of Israel-Morocco deal, the Trump administration agreed to recognize Morocco's sovereignty over the disputed territory of Western Sahara. So as a part of this, the Morocco has been recognized as a sovereignty over the disputed regions of the Western Sahara. So why these every places have been a disputed? So only reasons behind it because that place have been a money for it, there are finance for it, and the Western Sahara is rich in minerals and the oil. So that's why there is a disputed area between, and after this deal the Morocco with the Israel, it has been recognized as a that Morocco will have a right over the disputed area of the Western Sahara. So the Western Sahara is a vast arid region in the northwest Africa, and it is known for its mineral riches. So this is the key point, that's why there is a dispute. So there was a dispute. So it is known for its mineral riches, home to vast reserves of phosphate, and a key ingredient in the manufacturing of the synthetic fertilizers. And further, if you see, it has a lucrative fish resources, and it is believed to be have a offshore oil. But if it is going for that particular oil, so meanwhile it has been believed it has not been found. So if the meantime if we go search for the oil and everything, the world will change into a digital arena, and all the vehicles will be the electric one. Okay, so if it is going for that oil parts, so it is not a good deal. But if all those issues that happen historically, if it is because of the mineral resources, then it is a great deal for that Morocco. Okay, the Western Sahara is spread over the Mauritania, Algeria, and the Morocco, and has a long Atlantic coast. So this was all about the Morocco. Now we will see the North Sentinel Island. That Anthropological Survey of India has released the policy document for the Sentinelese Island, where nobody is allowed to restricted to go there, only for the authorized person, and no photos, nothing has been allowed to take for the North Sentinel Island. Further, the people, the tribal people living in that island are very protective in nature. They do not allow the outsider to be inside that region. So this is the regions where, if in the Andaman Nicobar Islands, you will see that the North Sentinel Island is present. Okay, so about the North Sentinel Island, so it is one of the Andaman Nicobar Islands. It is one of the under the Andaman Islands and an archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. So archipelago means the group of islands. So it is one of the group of islands present in the Bay of Bengal, which also includes, we have a South Sentinel Islands, and this is a North Sentinel Island. Okay, the North Sentinel Island of the Andaman consists of one of the most scheduled tribal population. There is scheduled tribal population in the name of Sentinelese. The Sentinelese and Negrito tribes, the nose will be flattened one. The tribe who lives on the North Sentinel Island of the Andaman have not faced incursion and remains hostile to the outsider. They do not allow the outsider to fled that regions. So it is completely protected, and the Indian Navy protect that regions as well. The inhabitants are connected to the Jarawa on the basis of physical as well as the linguistic similarities, and as per the carbon dating of the kitchen middens items and the Anthropological Survey of India, the Sentinelese presence was confirmed to the island as 2000 years ago, but still it has been believed that the genome studies had been showed that it is more than 30,000 years ago. Okay, so the government of India issued the Andaman and Nicobar Island Protective and the Aborigine Tribes that regulation under the 1956 to declare that traditional area occupied by the tribes as a reserve and prohibited entry for all the person to accept those the authorization. So the meanwhile you have to understand that the outsiders are not allowed. Indian government is protecting it, and the photographing, filming and everything is an offense for it, and the heavy penalties can be imposed if rule is getting if rule has been broken. So the area is patrolled by the Indian Navy as I have said earlier. Now we will see the Bhashan Char port, Bhashan Char region. So it has been in the news because all the Rohingya Muslim, all the that your Rohingya Muslims that have seen persecution, that have been faced persecution from the Myanmar regions, have been planned to set to the Bhashan Char port, which is getting flooded every year. So it is an inhuman thing. So the Bangladesh government has planned to set them in the Bhashan Char region. So the Bangladesh is turning a cyclone lashed island in the Bay of Bengal into a home of 1 lakh Rohingya Muslims who have fled violence in the neighboring Myanmar. So the house has been constructed in that region, but every year in the month of that June to September, this region is getting flooded. That June to September, this is monsoon season, and in that region it is getting flooded. So it is not a good decision. It is setting humiliation, that is, it is setting throughout the world. It is not being appreciated. So more than 6,88,000 Rohingyas have fled persecution in the Myanmar, Rakhine state since August 2020, and joining around 3 lakh refugees already in the Bangladesh. And among that, 1 lakh Rohingya Muslims have been fled violence in the neighboring Myanmar, and that has been setting in the home in this Bhashan Char port. So the government move to relocate the Rohingyas to the newly built facility at the Bhashan Char island has attracted a widespread attention. If you see, this is the place, and it is surrounded by all those regions. So, and if you believe that this Bhashan Char region has been developed in 2006 only by the deposition of the Meghna river. So it is a new place. When it will be submerged, nobody knows. Okay, so that's what it has been attracted in the news. This Bhashan Char will be in the news. Okay, so the Bhashan Char is a 13,000 acre land expanse of land. It will be more accurate to refer to as a mud flat, not as a land also. If we are calling as an island also, it is just a mud flat, because it is formed by the deposition of this Meghna river, and it is formed in the year 2006 only. Okay, that is 16 years only this new place has been emerged. So the mud flat is formed by the accumulation of silt where the river Meghna meets the Bay of Bengal, carrying rich alluvium deposit. And the located near the mouth of river Meghna, where it flows into the Bay of Bengal, Bhashan Char surfaced only in 2006 from the sediment deposit by the river. And the char, this char refers to the shifting of the landmass. So it is like that deposition is not always fixed. Like if a river is flowing like this, so this year deposition will be in this direction. Other year, if the deposition height will increase, then again river will change its direction. So let us suppose in this year the river deposition took place in the eastern side, though the next year the river deposition may happen in the western side. Okay, so that's what, that land is getting changed. So how you are making that region as a living standard for a particular community, so that is not a good with the respect for the Rohingyas one. They already face persecution with the Myanmar, and again in the Bangladesh, they are, the living standard of them are going to be deprived. So the char, the name char already refers, this Bhashan Char, the char only refers to the shifting land mass, and it is a recurrent features of the river Meghna and the Padma, the Brahmaputra and all. So I hope you understand this lecture. Please like and subscribe. Your subscription is a form of payment. For me it is a new channel, so I need your support. Further, if you have any doubt, if you want any on-demand video lecture, please feel free to ping on my Twitter handle. Thank you.